leakage. But nah, I don't see no. I don't see.
This life made me. I start from the bottom. I had to get up and go work. If you ain't first, then you last. I'm pressing the gas just to show them what I'm worth. It was like 2 in the morning. I'm locked in the stool for that night. I had nothing took a perk. I was drunk texting my essence. The spirit inside of me keep on trying to make it work. No, I can't wait on nobody. It's 2015. I'm in Birmingham doing.
Y'all, this is not a drill. This is not a drill. So after my darn freaking food, I look out in the freaking studio and it's flooded. Look at this shit. Look at this. The whole thing's flooded. Gosh. And it's because of them freaking leaves blocking the darn passageway. Now all this shit is fucking flooded like hell. Damn. Y'all, do y'all see this? The whole studio has been flooded. Shoes ruined. Oh my gosh. This shit's deep too. This shit pretty damn deep, hell. Yeah. Here's my problem right here. All these damn leaves is covering up the fence. So it's backed up all the water into the darn place, man. Y'all see what's going on here? I'm having to squeegee the whole floor. And I'm glad that I peeped it in time. Cause that's one thing we can't have, man. We got carpet and stuff in the studio, and we can't have that stuff getting wet, or that stuff will sour, you know what I'm saying? What in the world, man? What they say, where they do that at? Hey, at least we know the darn flow gonna be super, super clean.
Right now I'm all alone fighting demons. Right now I'm all alone fighting demons. Right now I'm all alone fighting demons. Yeah, yeah. Right now I'm all alone fighting demons. Sober mind cause I've been drowning in my drink and I'm fiending. Put that pillow in my face and then I start screaming. I'm fighting demons. You can't tell me nothing cause I know it all. I lost 2 of my partners, man, I miss my dogs. There ain't gon' come, but just stay 10 toes. They didn't want you to win, so keep fighting on your own. You should be grateful to even be at my table. Dressed in all black, only thing feel blue is this paper. Being distant with my family while I'm in search for a bottle. They tryna run game, I disconnect cause I got problems. I've been sleeping with my chopper. I could never trust a soul. I would never put them past them cause I know that they gon' fall. Cause they do it on purpose. Listen to my verses. They cursed and I've been trying to lift it, but it ain't worth it. I'ma just keep doing me. Put on the beat and murder beat. I can't even stay up cause I be wanting what I don't need. Give it to me straight cause that's the only way I like it. If I put both arms out for you, would you try to fight it? Right now I'm all alone fighting demons. Sober mind cause I've been drowning in my drink and I'm fiending. Put that pillow in my face and then I start screaming. I'm fighting demons. You can't tell me nothing cause I know it all. I lost 2 of my partners, man, I miss my dogs. There ain't gon' come, but just stay 10 toes. They didn't want you to win, so keep fighting on your own. Keep fighting on your own. Keep fighting on your own.
y'all, I don't know if y'all can actually see the extent. Oh, I'm probably tracking all in. I don't know if y'all can see the extent of what's going on. Y'all, I had to. Lord have mercy. Let's see if we can turn some lights on so that'll give it some character. And I'm gonna swap over to my actual camera. So I don't know if y'all could have seen the extent that was on my phone, but I turned on the light so y'all can kind of get a better example. But all of this is water. And it smells like freaking, ugh, smell like rain in here. And it's all the way back up here. Look, I thought I was being smart by pulling my car in. And look, it's still like, I don't know what's going on back here. It's like it's loading back up, hell. But let me show y'all what's going on. So these leaves right here, y'all see those leaves? Those leaves, I'm gonna zoom in even more for y'all. Those leaves right there are blocking the passageway for the rain. So I put some in that corner, and I put some in that corner. And hopefully that works this time, y'all, but this shit's a mess. I know when we first seen it, you couldn't even see that middle part right there. I don't believe so. It's looking a whole lot better, but shit, y'all. That's crazy. Hey, y'all, man. That has never happened to me before. I done been here at the studio, I want to say probably about, in my 2 years. Approaching my 3rd year, I think. I ain't never. Now I'm having to go into the back and check the very back just to make sure everything is everything. Cause it's another garage door. I don't see any leakage. But nah, I don't see no I don't see no leakage or anything. So, but I'm gonna still check just to make sure everything. Let's see if we can get this open. Okay, it's a little bit, not too bad though. Like it's not even really noticeable. Let's check on the photo room. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's the only lock I have problems out of. Wow. That ain't really bad. Cause that's dry now. But when I tell y'all, I ain't never seen that before. Never. But yeah, this stuff is, I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna probably just leave it like that for right now until it kind of lowers down. Like I said, I tried to clean up a lot of it, but I don't know. It's still looking pretty crazy out there. So, and it's still bad weather this way. So, cause it also flooded in the front half too, but it's looking a whole lot better out here, y'all. So hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully this thing comes together. But boy, I tell you, man, that crap sucks. You hear me? It's all good though. Oh, it's all good. I'm gonna still make it do what it do, but I gotta definitely take these shoes off cause my feet wet. So yeah, let them dry. All right, y'all. So it's still storming outside. I've been editing vlogs and posting content like ever since probably, I don't know, But I just been dropping a lot of content and everything right now. Super tired. I done cooked up 3 beats. I'm really on my last one right now. So yeah, once I go ahead and drop this beat, I'm gonna try to cook up a song, and after that I have to mix a client's session. They're supposed to be getting mixed and mastered, but they didn't finish paying for the master, so we're gonna go ahead and mix it. And then, yeah, we just gonna get straight to it. You know what I'm saying? Shoot. I'm over here grinding, man, trying to cook up some beats. Everything going, got the microphone on this side. So, yeah, man, we working.